Yeah. I got two, yeah. Good morning, everybody. Merry Christmas. Christmas Eve. It technically is for us.
2 days now because it's getting Christmas.
In 2 days?
Yeah. Guys.
I think it's, well, he counts 2 days. So all of today and then, does that mean tomorrow's Christmas?
Yeah.
Oh. Let's go get my pry bar.
Okay.
Oh.
I'm holding this for you guys.
You're filming?
Yeah. I'm holding this. Oh, don't hit me. Yay! They're coming down. Oh! Yes, I am back.
He's vlogging right now. It's a literal, I told them you were vlogging, which I find funny because it's like, they're literal copycats of what we do.
Hi, Dada.
Hi, Colton. Here's the plan today.
Right,
You coming with me?
yeah, because I have a vlog too.
Oh, you got your vlog. Okay. Well, Mama Bear's wrapping presents right now. So, oh, what happened?
It died.
Oh, you're gonna have to charge a battery. Oh no.
Yeah, 3 batteries.
Yeah. I think I have another battery in the car. Let me see it.
Thank you.
Hold mine. All right.
And my dad's taking my kitten because it died.
There it is, fully charged.
Thank you.
Here.
Alright,
Oh.
I'm alive.
So yeah, the F-150. Put the pulleys on it, put everything on it, and this morning it started up, started squeaking. So probably just needs a belt. Don't got a belt on hand. Can't get a belt for a couple days. So it gives me a great opportunity to try something I've always wanted to try. The wind is crushing this mic right now. I already know it. I've always heard there's this like old wise man's tale myth that if you put bar soap on a belt, it'll lubricate the belt, which makes sense. We're gonna try it. I can't get a belt anyways for at least 2 days at this point. So if it works, awesome. If it doesn't, well, it's not the end of the world. Bill's buying a belt. So, also, dude, this thing is a disaster. I have not cleaned the car in probably 4 weeks. Haven't given it a bath before Indianapolis. I feel like that layer of dirt that's like in your hair after you get off the ground and you put your head back and it was right into a puddle of antifreeze and oil and kitty litter. Like, I know you guys know what I'm talking about. Like, that's what I feel like the car feels like right now. So
Why kitty litter?
because you put kitty litter on the ground to absorb the spills and then you accidentally stick your head in it. All right, let's get some shit done. Oh, this place is a freaking disaster. It's not like it's a bad disaster, it needs cleaned up. I've had a lot of little projects. This area needed some stuff around. I was honestly getting a little concerned with spontaneous combustion. Right. Well, seeing as I know I can spend hours and hours and hours in here cleaning, like, it's already looking better. Now that this big old contraption is out of here and working and operating and doing things that it should be, I need to move the car forward, and while I have an opportunity, I'm gonna bend door bar. Oh, this thing. It's not squeaking right now. What I'm thinking here is that as when it warms up, the belt's just, is what it is. Grab another belt, throw one on there, but I didn't realize this till today. I'm gonna let it get warm before I do this. I wanna make sure it's still squeaking, and then we're gonna throw the dial bar of soap at it. So it's gonna be kind of fun. I'm curious if this is gonna work, is the reality of it. All right, this thing's not squawking. I knew it was yesterday. I don't know what the heck it thinks it's doing, but it decides it doesn't want to. So we're gonna go ahead and clean it up anyways, just because I wanna see what it does. Maybe it'll make it better, maybe it'll make it worse. At the end of the day, I mean, here, nothing but a belt swap away, so give it a go. All right, kids, do not try this one at home. All right, let's see if we can get this down in there. I'm not trying to kill my fingers here. All right. Oh, that works pretty well. That works pretty well. Soap on a stick instead of soap on a rope. Sounds the exact same, so it doesn't seem like it made it any worse, that's for sure. So, I'm gonna drive this thing home tonight. I was gonna go clean that car. No, we're gonna go clean that car now. I'm gonna call the shop clean. Like, let's get this stuff all cleaned up so we can go get to cleaning the car. You know, it's been a few weeks since I've actually cleaned this thing out, and I'm looking at it and I'm like, oh my, definitely need to wipe it out. Normally I'm one of those who will go to the vacuum. There's like a free vacuum on the way to Colton's school every day. So it's like, get some more light in here. Normally I just go by the gas station by Colton's school every couple of days and just, you know, give it a vacuum out. But lately I feel like a nasty ass. the good news is we got the good old-fashioned chemical guys. I love this stuff. They had another one of these that I had seen, and I had used it before. It was just the normal, it was the interior cleaner, it was the yellow one. But then I seen this one and I was like, ooh, right, black cherry. Dashboards, glass, nav screens, and leather vinyl. I'm like, sold, let's give it a whirl. I want to take a bite. I'm curious, is this toxic? Warning, may be harmful if swallowed. Like, how much of it you gotta drink? Come on. It won't even let me open it. All right, well, no taste test, Stilling. Guys, today is kind of more of one of those, I'm sorry, it's boring today. It's Christmas Eve. I slept in really, really late to recharge my batteries. Like, my batteries were dead. I slept until like 1:11 in the afternoon. So it is what it is. I'm gonna go wash this thing up real quick. Probably go take a drive. I'm in that I need a drive mood. I don't know if you guys ever get that way. This afternoon is kind of that way. I mean, it's not bad. By no means has today been bad. I'm not 100% in it, but I'm not giving up on Vlogmas. We are still doing this. There is still technically one more day of Vlogmas left. You guys will continue to see him, I think, into the weekend. If you have made it this far, guys, it has been a rip of a ride. We have gotten so much stuff done. Like, the race car, the LSA car has came so far. We have shifters. Juan and Donnie are coming out this weekend again to help me work on some more stuff. Now that we got that out, we can get the tube bender out, move this forward, door bars in, and slowly, piece by piece, we still gotta put brake lines in it, and I gotta get a drive shaft. And after the firewall bit's done, so after this is done, my next big focus is the seats. Honestly, I'm probably gonna have to do seats sooner than later because I need a seating position. Maybe we do seats then door bar. Yeah, we'll probably do that. Seats then door bar. No, door bar. We'll figure it the freak out. All right, guys, I need to wash the car. Feeding dollar bill into old. Yes, it's so satisfying. Ain't gonna lie. All right.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
I screwed the pooch on that one. I tried getting it done within what cash I had in my pocket. Yeah, it didn't work so well. So there we go. You know, this is a great bad thing all at the same time. So let's get back to what we were doing. We need, and I know there's gonna be people out there right now hating me because I'm getting ready to take a foam brush to this car. But here's the deal. Any damage it's already done to the paint, it's been done to the paint. We're gonna get done. Just gonna do a quick razor check here real quick. Yeah, we're good. We're good. It's nice and soft. Nothing in it. Rub it up 3 minutes. And don't forget to get behind the ears now. You ever see those TikTok videos where like people fill the exhaust up? Like, how do you think they get all that crap in there? Like, for real. It's very awkward trying to do this one-handed and hold a camera. I can't do this. I feel like I'm scrubbing a freaking teeth on a car. See if we can do some filming like Casey Neistat. I feel like this is something he would do. Let's get down in the comments, guys. Who's that person who washes their car and uses all spot-free rinse water? Like, let's be real here. That stuff takes forever. I'm pretty sure that's a conspiracy theory. There's some water wetter agent in there that's like, no. That's a scam. I really do believe that the spot-free service right there, that's a scam to get money out of people. Donut Media, get on that one. Look into it. Is that a car guy scam? Pro tip of the week. Don't forget to wash behind your gas cap. It's like not washing behind your ears. It's so dirty. You know we gotta dry it. Come on now. What kind of car guy would I be if I didn't dry my car off? All right, well, I decided, you know what? I've already came this far. Why stop now? Let's go ahead. There's a free car wash right up the road from here. Free vacuum. We're gonna run up there, get this thing vacuumed out. I gotta move my tripod. Let's go do it to it. All right, well, I feel like a goof. It's very quiet around here. They're not on. I guess we're not vacuuming the car out tonight after all. All right, guys, I guess that's where I'm gonna end this one. Merry Christmas to you guys. Today's Christmas Eve, obviously, and I want to leave you on this thought. Christmas, something I have noticed is Christmas. What is Christmas? And what does it mean? I found myself today asking Colton that question if he knew what Christmas meant, and to a level I kind of feel like as a father I haven't explained it very well. See, I was raised in a Catholic school, so I know what Christmas means to the religion side of it, after doing a podcast with Steve yesterday on our Christmas special, which if you guys are interested, go check it out. It's pretty, basically we touch on what Christmas is without touching on what Christmas is to be. He talks about the Christmas tree, where it came from, all the way from the Egyptians, like all the way, it's a trip, guys. Go check it out. You probably, if you're into weird stuff like that, you'll find it pretty interesting. At any rate, what I was getting at was, I found myself thinking, I'm like, there's a lot of different perspectives of Christmas. Some places in the world don't even celebrate Christmas, which is even more interesting. I guess I'm leaving you on the thought, on the cliffhanger of, what is Christmas to you? Let me know in the comments section below. I'm curious. What do you think Christmas is to you? Even if you guys are seeing this in like 2058 or 4200, let me know in the comment section. What is Christmas to you? Is it still a thing to you? Maybe I'll be able to answer if it's 4200 and my brain is uploaded into the AI of consciousness things. All right, guys. Well, since I'm not vacuuming this out, I know I need to do a couple last minute Christmas shopping things. If this is where I end the vlog, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. We got one more day of Vlogmas. It's been a wild ride, and I will see you tomorrow. Peace. I'm Audi.